Thumbnails are one of the most important thing when it comes to YouTube videos. Before you get thousands and thousands of views, you need the click first. So, in this video, I will give you some tips on how you can make a clickable thumbnails, especially on mobile phones. Furthermore, I will also show you what applications I am using in making my thumbnails on mobile phones. So, let's proceed. To begin with, I am using PIXELLAB to create my thumbnails. You can download this on Google Play Store for free. Next, I am just going to select the image size for thumbnail. Tip number 1. Choose a color that is simple. I am gonna put some shapes so that the words will have a background. For this example, I will choose the blue and white. You can also add some strokes, shadows, just to add some spice or emphasis on your shapes. In addition, I am just going to align this one. It does not need to be precise or exact, just make it look aligned. Tip number 2. Choose a font that's simple, bold and readable. In my opinion, the bolder the font the better. Don't use fonts that are aesthetically good but difficult to read. Once you have chosen the font, align the text properly so that it looks more professional. Furthermore, I am just going to do this to all the text. Tip number 3. The lesser the better. Do not put too much information and random stuff on your thumbnails, just make it simple, clean and readable. In addition, you can also add some faces and emotions so that it's a little bit interesting. To export the image, just click the 3 dots on the upper right corner, click on Export Image, and save to Gallery. Tip number 4. Make sure your thumbnail is related to your videos. Do not just clickbait the audience, because if you do this, your watch time is gonna decrease and it is going to be difficult for you to grow. And you also don't want the people to just click the thumbnail and they just leave a dislike to your videos. Make sure that you are delivering the content based on what the audience are expecting. And also, the most important of all, don't forget to subscribe to my channel or else you're going to dance like this.